Hi, my name's Toon and I am the founder of Stay Tuned, a collection of digital education businesses. I wanted to make this video to tell you a little bit about why Tony Cosentino has had such a big impact on my business. I have, I think, 7 websites. Could be wrong. And keeping those all maintained, keeping them all running, keeping them up to date is a huge amount of work. So handing them over to Tony with his maintenance packages means it's something that I just don't have to worry about. They're backed up, they're secure, the plugins are all up to date, and I can focus on just running my business. But more than that, Tony has been responsible for streamlining my websites, speeding them up, reducing the amount of plugins I have going on, and also coding and developing some of the beautiful sales pages you can see across the Recipe for SEO Success, Clever Copywriting School, and katetoon.com. My websites have directories, shops, memberships, you name it, they're super complicated. And Tony keeps them all running in tip-top condition and is super affordable too. I can't recommend Tony more highly than this, higher as possible. He's an amazing WordPress developer. He really cares about the product that he delivers, and I think his customer service is above and beyond. So if you're looking for somebody to look after your WordPress website, I'd give the WordPress Guy a call.